4 free software tools your voiceover business needs. Seriously, y'all. Hey, hi, creative professional people, my artist friends, my online people. We're doing it one day at a time, making art in our communities. It's 2024. We're going at it. Hi, I'm Caroline Cole. Welcome to this week of the Business of Storytelling. Today I want to talk about free software tools, 4 of them in particular that I really love and always use. And if you're not using these in your voiceover business, then pay attention. You need to make your business easier and more efficient. So let's dive right in. First on the list is a true audio powerhouse, Audacity. Listen, if you're a beginner voiceover actor and you haven't heard of or aren't using Audacity, you need a reliable audio editing software, and it really fits the bill, pun intended, because it's free, open source, packed with features for recording and editing your voiceover projects. Your little anarchy heart can love into this free software, and you can even add effects if you want to. Audacity has you covered. Next are some free tools to help you keep your files organized. Organization is key in any business, y'all, especially voiceover. We're always trading audio. We're sending files here and there and all over the world. You need a Dropbox account. You need a Google Drive. You need to learn how to use WeTransfer to share files. Have access anywhere. You need your scripts, your voice recordings, all important documents at your fingertips so that you can be on the go when you need to, and you can have them in the studio when you hop in there, and you can have them on your computer when you're actually doing any of the editing you need to do. This next third thing is something that needs no introduction, y'all, because it's email. In the fast-paced world of voiceovers, effective communication is key. You've got to stay organized, and your email is the central hub for staying in touch with clients and receiving project orders and details, sending final recordings and information. Even if you're using those other hubs, you're still gonna wanna use email. You don't just wanna tag someone in a Google comment and be like, oh, it's done. No. Email is your main form of communication, and your email game needs to be strong so you can build lasting relationships with your clients, because professionalism and prompt communication, y'all, those go hand in hand with getting booked in the voiceover industry. And very often email is your first point of contact. So you want to keep it organized. Make sure you have somebody helping you if you're starting to overload on inquiries. You want to respond promptly, and then you want to watch your business start to flourish. So if you feel like you're not utilizing email in all of those ways that I just mentioned, then see if you can step up your email game. Don't discount it as an important software part of our business. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about the power of social media. Voiceover artists need to be using this, y'all. And so many more people will tell you this than me, who have way more followers than me. So you should probably listen to them if you don't want to listen to me. Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. These aren't just for memes and videos or whatever the kids are calling them these days. These are actually powerful tools for amplifying your voiceover business. These are ways you can use these free platforms to showcase your work, connect with potential clients. Hey, I saw your recent thing. Fun audio. Have you ever thought about using this kind of voice? I don't know. You need to stay in touch with trends, and you need to start to make friends, voiceover artists. Hi, my friends. Speaking of which, thanks for tuning in this week, you guys. Those are my top 4 softwares, online tools. As a recap, these are the 4 things you need to be using. You need to be using your social media. You need to be using your email effectively. You need to be using your online storage effectively, whether that's Dropbox or Google Drive or WeTransfer or what have you. And you also need to be using free editing software. Don't pay for that. Use Audacity. It's awesome. Thanks for coming this week, guys. I love it when you're here. I'm always so grateful that I get to see you twice a month, talk to you about voiceover, chat about the fun things that we get to do in our lives. I've got something new for you guys that if you haven't seen it yet, I want you to join me because it's really fun doing these not resolutions together. It's kind of a tradition now. We did it last year, and what are the things that you're not going to do this year? What are your not resolutions for us here on Caroline Cole Stories? So go ahead and grab that download. You can get that below, and that signs you up for the email list too, so I can stay in touch with you and we can email and stuff. Speaking of email, that's one of the main ways I communicate. So let's hop on that together, and I will see you guys in a couple of weeks. In the meantime, make sure you're connecting on social media. So I'm on Instagram and TikTok at Caroline Cole Stories. So reach out there. I love a DM. Slide right in and say hey and tell me what your weirdest, most recent audition was. Tell me what the weirdest audition you did in 2023. Let's qualify it. What's the weirdest audition you did last year? I had a couple of, this was fun for me. I had a creature audition. I had some creature auditions that I did, and I got to just do sounds. I did not get it, but first audition, I have to keep practicing this. But this is something I didn't even know I needed to practice. Okay, gotta go, bye.